Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So by now I've shared the news with you guys. You know the secret I've been keeping for months. It feels so good to finally get out there, and I cannot thank you guys enough for the support, for the love. I have received more messages over the past 24 hours than I think I ever have. So I'm trying to reply to as many people as I can. So a common question I've been getting is, am I sure it's not twins? So as far as I know, it is not twins. Who knows, maybe I'll be surprised later. I do have an ultrasound appointment I'm gonna be taking you guys to. So that will give us our final verdict, if it is in fact twins or not. I don't believe that it is. I am showing quite a bit. I think that's why so many of you guys are asking. I think it's just because my body's done this before, and so it knows what to do. It has that muscle memory there and is just going for it. The other thing, in my reveal video, I said she's here, meaning the bump. I just referred to my bump as a she. I do not know the gender yet, but later on in the video, we'll have a little sit down chat all about my thoughts on learning the gender, if we're even gonna find out when, all of that good stuff. So one of my like really strong random cravings I've been having is citrus. Like I want lemon, orange, grapefruit. And we actually have 2 citrus trees in the backyard. So I have a clip of myself. I got some contraption so I can pick all of the oranges and the lemons from high up in the tree. And then I'll show you guys some of the things I've been making with my lemons and oranges. We washed and cut up some of our lemons to start. We're gonna make some lemon water. My favorite little life hack is to make lemon ice cubes. So that way you don't have to squeeze fresh lemon every time, you just have your cubes ready to go. You can also put mint or rosemary or other herbs to spice up your lemon water. I got this really inexpensive juicer from Amazon. It was, I wanna say $15. So here is the juice from about 4 lemons. Okay, so we actually had the perfect amount of lemon juice to make 1 tray of lemon ice cubes. So I'm gonna pop this in the freezer, and then later I'll have my lemon water. Now for our orange juice. This is about 3 oranges worth of orange juice. We'll have Carter try it. He'll be our taste tester.
Sounds good, huh?
How's it taste?
Good.
What does it taste like?
I'm mixing it up.
Is it sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Does it taste
Mom,
like...
you drink it.
Mmm. Wow. There's nothing quite like fresh squeezed orange juice. This little princess is getting groomed. We have our mobile groomer, so she's like 2.5 weeks overdue for her grooming. She's very fluffy. What'd you make?
A car with a statue. No, not a statue. I made a statue on the car. And that tire's holding a big, big tower.
Where are you going?
I'm going to use that.
Oh, do you want me to make a snack? All right, here's what we have going on outside. This was Carter's 3rd birthday present. It's called the Hot Wheels coaster. I got it from Kohl's. I will link it. A lot of people are asking me on Instagram, but it's huge. I mean, it takes up a lot of the yard. Are you ready? Set. Whee! Then we also have this, which was for Christmas. We're gonna rearrange everything. He loves it. He calls it his tree house. He plays up there for a long time.
Mom, I'm a little monkey.
You are.
Mom, I'm going to show you how this works.
Show me.
First, you climb up.
Whoa, what are those?
The magic rocks.
Hello, magic rocks. Where did these come from?
They came from Grandma.
Grandma gave you magic?
Hello!
Whee!
Mom, do you have the key?
Yeah. All right, so I came to this place called Peekaboo Mommy to get a quick 5-minute ultrasound just to make sure baby is still doing okay and has a heartbeat, because you know, before I announce it, I just want to see baby one more time, but I'm so nervous. I'm like literally shaking and I feel like I'm gonna throw up. So I just really hope baby is okay. Can you tell if there's still a heartbeat?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
62 beats per minute.
Oh. Oh my gosh, look at the little arms and legs. Oh my gosh. Oh little guy. So cute. Oh my gosh. I'm just so glad the baby's still doing well. All right, so I have a very positive update. So over the past couple months, I've had the worst food aversions of all time. Like, I have only been able to eat food that is the color beige or brown. So basically bread, cereal, pizza, bean burritos, pasta. I can't eat anything with flavor, no meat, no vegetables, nothing healthy, which, you know, it sucks. I of course want to be eating healthy, but it's not a choice. About 3 days ago, I woke up and I was like, you know what? The thought of meat and vegetables doesn't gross me out anymore. Maybe I could even eat it. So the second I started feeling better, I went online, I unpaused my HelloFresh, and we got some delicious options. So thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. You guys know they have been a long-term supporter of my channel. What I appreciate more than ever about HelloFresh is the fact that I don't have to deal with meal planning or prepping. It's all done for me, and I can make these delicious meals in under 30 minutes, some of them under 20 minutes. They have quick recipe options. All of the ingredients are pre-portioned, which means there's less food waste. You cook only what you need, and there's less prep. It just makes it so easy. And I'm the most indecisive person. I never know what I want to eat. So this gets me out of my ruts of eating the same types of food. I mean, in my case, I've been eating the same things for 2 months. So every week there's a choice of over 22 chef curated seasonal recipes that you can choose from. They have vegetarian options, meat options, so many choices. And they make it very easy to customize, to change your delivery days, to skip weeks. Like, I had been skipping because of my pregnancy and my food aversions, but now I unpaused it and I'm back. To me, there is really nothing better than a home cooked meal. I have tried multiple meal kit delivery services, and HelloFresh has the best tasting food, the best recipes, and the pricing is amazing. So if you want to try it out, all you need to do is go to HelloFresh.com and use the code VASSOR10. This is HelloFresh's New Year's sale, and you will get 10 free meals and free shipping. This is the best offer I have ever seen them give out. So if you ever wanted to try it, do it now. All right, now it's time for the taste test. That took under 30 minutes. Oh my God. This is the best thing I've eaten in months. This is just so full of flavor. And that is my favorite thing, truly, about the HelloFresh meals, is they are so well seasoned, so flavorful. So you guys should definitely take advantage of my code for 10 free meals. I will have the link again in the description box. All right, we are here at Balboa Park, one of my favorite spots in San Diego. If you come to visit, you have to come here. We're going to the Science Museum. How exciting is that? It's a gorgeous day here in January. This is why I love San Diego. There's a big greenhouse over there. There's a pretty pond. There's a Tin Man. The architecture is just so pretty here. This is a really nice building. We're at the Train Museum. This is Carter's happy place. It is really elaborate. Cool. Okay, so it's the last hour of the day. I just set up a little easy activity to kill some time here. I made this salt dough. It's really easy, but it's the colored salt dough. Here's the recipe. You can screenshot this. It is the easiest dough ever. And then we have these little creatures here that can crawl through the dough. Oh, look, Carter, there's dino tracks. So you kind of just set up a variety of things that they can put on the dough. Very simple.
He's looking for some food.
If you already have Play-Doh, just use what you had. We didn't have any. It had all dried up, so I improvised. All right, so we just finished dinner. I forgot to show it, but we just had the leftovers of the HelloFresh. Both Carter and I, we loved it. Now I'm actually pre-making breakfast for tomorrow because the mornings are really rough for me. So if I make it in advance, all I have to do is reheat it. So Kodiak cakes, I get these in bulk from Costco. They're higher in protein, really good. And for even more protein, I mix it with milk. Then I get 2 burners going at the same time, get my pancakes, and then we're set for breakfast. I like to make smaller pancakes, that way you can snack on them. Hello guys, so I decided to sit down here at my nice camera setup to have a little chat about baby's gender and when I'm finding out and all that good stuff. So I just want to start off by admitting something to you that is horrible, horrible thing to admit. But when I found out that Carter was a boy, I was extremely disappointed. I know that is an awful thing to say. I have so much guilt over feeling this way because what I learned is that when your baby is born, you love that child. You do not care if they are a boy or a girl. You love them exactly the same. I would never in a million years, you could not pay me $1 billion to change Carter in any way, to be a girl, to be anything other than himself. To me, he is perfect. Because I've been through that experience of, having these expectations and experiencing gender disappointment and knowing that that doesn't matter, I went into this pregnancy thinking that I'm not even gonna bother finding out the gender because I know that it doesn't matter anyway. So that was kind of my plan. And then as the days have gone by, I do feel that I would bond more with the baby if I knew the gender. I could talk to the baby, like saying it just doesn't feel very personal to me. And also, I'm a planner. If you know me, probably not a surprise. I want to be able to do the nursery and really make it nice and special. And it's crazy because since the time 4 years ago I was pregnant with Carter, there's new stuff out there. So you could find out the gender really, really early at 8 weeks. It's called Sneak Peek, and there's one you can do at home, but the results aren't as accurate. Or there's something called Sneak Peek Clinical, where you go into a lab, they draw your blood, and it's like 99.9% accurate. And you could find that out at 8 weeks. Everyone else in my life, as soon as I turn 8 weeks, they're like, go in, we want to know. But just because of my history, I just wanted to feel more confident that the baby was good and that the baby was going to make it before I found out the gender. So at some point in the next couple of weeks here, I'm going to go in and get my blood test done, do the whole reveal. So if you guys have any creative ideas, let me know down in the comments. I will say this, these are my true thoughts. Thought number one, I think it would be great to have another boy because I love being a boy mom. Now, on the other side, I have always wanted to have a girl. I'm very close with my mom, so I kind of, would love to have that relationship. But again, because of what I've been through, I know that at the end of the day, it does not matter. You love the child the same. Maybe before that video comes out, I'll do something on like old wives' tales, gender predictions. But my gut feeling is that it's a boy. I want you guys to guess down below. What do you think? You tend to have good intuition. So that's gonna be it for this week's video. I really hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to go check out HelloFresh. Make sure to use the link below. Take advantage of the code they gave me, which is an amazing deal. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon with a new video.